There you go.
Thank you. What's up, guys? Start work. I start work a little bit later today, 10:30, because our clinic closes at 7. So I will be working until 7, 10:30 to 7. So the kids made the kids some breakfast. Got some rice and Portuguese sausage.
Are you gonna eat, honey?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna eat. Are you gonna eat, honey?
Can you eat?
What is that?
You started telling me. I was going in the bathroom.
Honey, are you gonna eat?
I don't know. Oh, where's the kimchi base, honey? Boy, make sure to clean that table, because I gotta use that table to take our pictures. Yep, it's good. Whatever, I mean, not that much. I don't want. That's fine. That was. Oh, it's not onion, it's salmon.
Yeah, I kind of like my hair blonde, but I want to dye it.
I want to dye mine light blue and black.
Make sure you guys like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe. Oh. Daddy, say hi. Oh! Daddy! Daddy! Someone's out of boat. What the? It doesn't look.
It's a freaking boat.
Hi, vloggers. I'm at Mommy, they're holding us.
That one's going fast.
We'll be right back.
Oh Lord.
Either way, can we see the pictures?
How was it?
It was really good. Oh
Yeah,
my God.
good?
So good.
How was it?
So good.
Are you gonna be on my vlog? Is that okay?
That's okay.
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 What you eating?
$5. What's your husband's name?
Irvin?
Bring more, yeah?
Maya, did you eat it yet?
No,
Maya, look, tell your daughter that I'm gonna be a vlogger.
Bring more, bring more. I'm gonna have her subscribe to your page.
Yes, please. Please subscribe, subscribe and like. Yeah, me too. How is it? Is it good?
Good, really good.
I'm gonna put you in my vlog, okay?
Oh my god.
Put you in my
Oh
vlog.
god.
Woohoo.
Oh my god.
You did it again. Yeah. Okay, guys, we are having spaghetti and pizza. Okay, go. Ew, we didn't do the sounds. You cannot see this. Ashton, come. Guys, let's play on the stuff that we did last night.
Hi guys, home from work, showered. Oh, I have a headache. I was in the triage tent in the garage at my working place today. It was so hot. We were so busy. And now I have a headache. I drank water, but I still have a lingering headache. But I have lychee. Yum.
You want me to go with the high first, lady?
Up to you. Ow, and it stings. You're not even touching me.
I know. How is it?
Ow, it stings. I think you gotta put a little bit pressure. Yeah, like that. Oh my god. Oh my god, it stings. Ow, honey, it stings. Ow. Ow. Ow.
Yeah, just
Oh.
go to one then.
Holy shit.
You want it to two?
Yeah.
Or three?
Oh yeah, right there. Oh. Oh, dinner time. What do you have there?
So, do you want yours?
Chili with hot dogs.
Chili, hot dog, cheese,
I don't want
rice.
chili hot dog.
What do you mean? You always eat that.
No?
Yeah, you do, you liar.
Do you want cheese, Bubba?
Is
Yeah.
it yummy?
I don't like hot cheese.
What do you mean? That's not hot cheese.
I like hot dog.
Oh, the hub's got that Thai coffee going.
Give me one hot dog.
Here, Bubba, Axel.
Okay, mix them, yo. Thank you for the coffee.
You're welcome. We're
And-
gonna get you know what?
I love you.
We're gonna get you know what?
Here, sip first. Take a sip. Can you go down? Go down. Take a sip. Take a sip. What's up, guys? So every day when I get off work and in the evening time, my mom makes me this like almost like tea, and it's lemon with ginger and honey, supposedly to help with my immune system so I don't get sick or get the coronavirus.
Mom, don't say that.
Let me finish them.
Hi guys, so I'm at work again. My last day here of the week in the tent. So this is how it looks.
Let's try it once. You showed that 18 already. 9 to the 20, 18, 17, 8, you got the number. Okay, there's just plants with water. Got the number. Okay, there's just waffles with abs. Jack, I think you need more. I saw the world. What did you saw? I saw the world with no hamburgers. Guys, so we're gonna go in Mommy's working place, and we're gonna go pick up our lunch. I still sick and I started pregnant. I started pregnant. I started pregnant. I still has a baby. Delivery for mommy. Mommy, say hi. Hi.
It has the spider crawls coming along. See those? So this one's easy. You can go up from the tip down. Good. The other two's on the G and D. Good. Wow, you sound like way. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. You sound really good. Okay.
Hi guys, I just got home from work and I wanted to jump on here real quick because I got something in the mail today. My mom made some banana pancakes. I don't know if it's like Filipino style or something, but so good. Thanks, Mom. Should wash my hands. We're back. Okay, I'm back. So I finally got this in the mail from Zenni Optical, and you can go on there and order, you know, your glasses, and you can have it without prescription or with prescription. Irvin and I just went to get our eye exam recently, and so I asked for our prescriptions for our lenses, and I actually ordered this, and it's the transition ones where, you know, when you go out in the sun it will get darker. It's probably like a little bit darker right now because it's kind of bright from my window here. And then Irvin also got some new glasses, but he didn't get transition ones. He's just got regular lenses with his prescription. So I went on ZenniOptical.com that my coworker told me about because I seen her glasses and it was so cute. So I went on and purchased them. So I got one for Irvin and one for myself. Okay, hurry. Okay, so this is the cloth. So anyway, so this is the case. Looks like this. It's plastic. I really like the color. It's really nice. This is the front. It says Zenni, and the back says Zenni.com. I don't know why it says Zenni.com because I think it's ZenniOptical.com. But whatever. Okay, it's pretty sturdy. Clothes is good. So this is, I think this is Irvin's one. I ordered him one for Father's Day, but I purchased it late, so that's why it just came now. So it comes with this. It's a guide on how to get the right fit, how to clean your lenses and things like that, how to take care of them basically. And so the glasses are wrapped in here, and I like that it has these plastic things on on here, so that way it can keep it, you know, from not from scratching each other. If that makes sense. Whoa. Okay. So the cool thing about it, about this company, is that I don't know if other companies do it, other like glasses place do it, but I actually got Irvin's name in here. If you can see it, it says Irvin Andalo. Yeah. So I got his name right here, and this side says Zenni. And I didn't know that, see this gray part right here? It's actually like kind of rubber almost. And look, it's bendy. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I didn't know that. That's good. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna have him try it on later. I don't know why this was empty though. Maybe this was supposed to go in there, but it says pen. So I don't know. Maybe this was supposed to go inside, or they were supposed to give us another free gift. Oh, another free gift. This is actually a free gift. This is a laser. So funny, yeah. But yeah, it's a free gift. It's a laser. I mean, I don't know why they would give a laser as a free gift. Can someone tell me why? Can Zenni Opticals tell me why you guys gave the free laser and what I should use it for? Okay. Anyway, so I'm gonna open mine's. This is mine's. So again, it comes in a Ziploc bag. The case that says Zenni, and in the back, Zenni.com. And you open it. Trendy, not spendy. Okay. So the cool thing about mine's is it has a magnetic clip-on, so it can turn into shades. Isn't that cool? Okay, so again, it comes with this on how to care for your glasses, and again, it's wrapped in the lens cleansing cloth, and one arm is covered in plastic right here, and this whole thing is plastic, the frames. So I got my name on here too. I don't know if you can see it right here, Elvie Andalo. Oh, I gotta make sure if it's spelled right. But anyways, yeah, so my name is here, and on the other side says Zenni, and this is black. It's black with silver this what do you call these? It's black. The frames are black with like silver trimmings. Is it silver or gold? Oh, sorry guys. It's gold. Look how cute. I thought there was a scratch, but it's not. Look how cute it is. So the my right eye is a different prescription from my left. My right eye with the pterygium, the one that has a pterygium is weaker than my left. So my prescriptions are different. So the lens on my right is always thicker than the ones on my left. But look at that. Look how cute it is. I wonder why they didn't put this plastic on this side. The one on the side where they engraved my name. You know what I mean? Wouldn't you think so? Anyway, I'm Filipino, so I'm gonna just leave this on and try it on. Okay, I'm gonna see how it fits. Do I look cute? I don't have a mirror. Wait, I'm gonna get a mirror. Oh my god, it's so cute. I feel like my ears, one side of my ear is higher than the other. So for the lenses, I got I guess the regular type of lens. I guess the thickness that they recommend, I got whatever they recommended, and then I got the prescription from my eye doctor, and then the blue light from your electronics, from your cell phone, your computers and things like that. So I got that on here too. I think it's called Blokz by Zenni, and that's what helps. Here, Blokz lenses protect your eyes from harmful blue light. So that's what I got on here. I don't think I got it. I think I got it on Irvin's shades too. I think I got it for him too. I think so, or maybe not, because it's weird to get that on sunglasses, right? I don't know. But anyway, so and then I got the anti-glare. I got the anti-glare for this and that, I believe. So I'm not sure. I'll go check and post it up or let you know. And then for this one, got anti-glare, and then I'm pretty sure that all their lenses comes with anti-scratch for free. Yeah. Okay, so now I'll show you the clip-ons, the magnetic clip-ons for here. So this is the magnetic clip-ons. Oh no, guys, I have to take off the plastic. So these are the magnets right here, and I think I have to take them off the plastic covering. I think I have to take them off to put it on. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see if it works. Oh shit. Wait, how does it work? Oh, it's a clip-on magnetic. There's like a hook right here that I have to clip onto here, and then make it go down. So it's gonna be like this. Is it on? Oh, I lied. Ta-da! It's shade. Okay, guys, that is my unboxing. I'm gonna let Irvin try on his shades and show you guys later. And I didn't need to take off the plastic coverings from the magnet to have it stick on. How cool is that?
Did you get one too?
Oh yeah. You took out the plastic? I didn't want to take out the plastic on mine because I'm Filipino. Is it good?
It's like a kintsugi.
Oh, Edward Cullen in the house. Here you go. Is it good?
Yeah.
You like it?
I'll wash this back with my hair.
Wait, it's not a ghost, it's me! Huh? But you scared me, Simon. Me and Aiden and Ashton play spider. They go like
Tastes like the Philippines. Oh yeah.
baby.
No high fructose corn
No,
syrup.
but what?
What?
Mommy, can I show them what I can do?
What? Okay. Snack time. What do you guys got there? Oreo. Yum.
We asked some Asher and playing Minecraft.
Minecraft. All
With
right.
another update.
Mhm.
Look at
Okay, show me how you eat your Oreo, Axel. Okay, show me how you eat your Oreo, Axel. And then is that how you eat your Oreo? No, that's not. How about you, Alec? That's not how you eat your Oreo.
Mom, look.
Yeah. What you did, Axel? See, I told you that's not how you eat your Oreo. You always separate it. How about you? How about you, Ashton? How do you eat your Oreo? You separate it and then you eat all of that.
And look, the frosting
Whoa.
is the best.
And then what do you eat after? A cookie?
Yep.
How about you, Aiden?
Oh,
You eat everything together or no?
actually both. Eat it together and just separate it. That's what I usually do.
Oh yeah, I can fly. No. Come on, Draco. Come on, Drac. And Mommy, look.
Whoa.
And
I
we
want
can,
to say.
come on,
Draco.
What?
Come on, Draco.